Good morning, everyone. So, Tuesday, 12th of August 2025. Yesterday, I made a slight mistake in my analysis. In the fact that we have drawn this range, right, on the 4 hour. And I was waiting for a pullback into the imbalances here. And towards the equilibrium of the range. The mistake, in my opinion, was in the fact that we haven't had that big of a sweep of liquidity. If you look at this candle, relative to this candle, there was the high of the candle tapped in, and price came down into the first imbalance, and that's all good and fine. I actually traded sell in the London session. That worked well, but in New York I was expecting price to go deeper into discount, and price did not do that because we have had stacked liquidity on the left hand side here. And usually you want to see price retrace into equilibrium of the range after a sweep like this. If you look at what price is doing with other ranges, right, on the bull side, it's the same thing. Price, it's first going to sweep liquidity to the left, then go into equilibrium. So in this case, slight mistake. Now the price action is a lot clearer because we have had this sweep. We can actually draw our range here. And this was the previous week high, right? Sweep above previous week high. Displacement down towards the equilibrium of the range. And we have inverted this fair value gap, now used as bearish balance price range actually. And price comes down into this 4-hour fair value gap. In my opinion, it will come down into discount of the range. However, we are sitting now, price is sitting now in between the balanced price range and the 4-hour bullish fair value gap. What does this mean? It means, in my opinion, that we will have, and you guessed it, we will have chop until CPI. Because today is August 12th, with CPI day, price will chop around until then, in this range. Now, drop to a lower time frame. Yeah, you may catch something, but this will eat away at your mental capital. If you just sit around trying to scalp this between this and this. So my advice, stay away until CPI. Let CPI give the market direction, and then you can reassess. But all in all, if we look at the overall picture, as I said, this is our overall target. This is a drawn liquidity, previous month high. unless, I don't know, CPI comes in with, I don't know which numbers, and it just flies down. Here. We will need to see. Wait and see. Because as it is now, if CPI comes in as a surprise, we might see price coming down all the way in the range. And there goes that idea of going back to the all-time high. If CPI comes in, it could also do this. Now, that's the outlook for today. As I said, stay safe, wait until after CPI, because you don't want to be in that market and just try and get chopped up in that range before CPI. Take care and trade safe.